Hello guys! Hello! Wait lang. Oh, wait. Move natin yung camera. Kumusta kayo guys? You know what? I'm thinking talaga na mag daily vlogs. Kaso wala lang talagang time guys. Kaya yung aking, sineset up ko yung sa kabila kong channel. Kaya yung aking videos is ganito. Showing lang what yung other na ginagawa ko. Yan lang kasi. Yan. Okay. Wait. Okay, I think it's fine. Kakarating ko lang, kakasend ko kay Alex. Oh God, yung bill ko kitang-kita. Kung tatayo ako, I think it's better. Ganito lang natin para hindi masyadong makita yung bill. So anyway, as much as possible, gusto kong mag life in UK update. Sobrang busy ko guys. Tapos yung garden ko, sobrang busy ko din sa garden. Comment down below kung gusto nyo makita yung garden ko. Kasi always ako nag-gardening. Hindi ako marunong mag-garden. Pero, I'm trying my best. I'm trying my best guys. So anyway, aalis ulit ako kasi mag-window shopping ulit ako sa Primark, New Look, Tiki Maxx, B&M, JD Sport, and saan pa ba? Sainsbury's. Kasi may in-order akong car arch. How do you call it? Oh, arch, diba? Oh my God. Talaga, oh, meron akong binili for the garden again. Tapos marami akong biniling pots. Hindi ko na lang dinala dito sa taas kasi nga, I don't know. I feel like it's better sa garden na kaagad yung aking mga pots and soil. Of course, hindi ko dadalhin dito sa loob ng room. Kasi normally, dito ako nag-hold. Tapos, last time is nag-ano ako dun sa kabila kong sa down. Kaso nga lang, si Alex kasi yung nandun all the time. So, ang super messy. So, kailangan ko maglinis. At least dito wala masyadong nilinisan. Kaya, yun yung reason ko. Tapos, ito yung, by the way, pakita ko sa inyo para hindi kayo bumili nito. Ito, yung cover is from Amazon. Yan. Etong chair, office chair, is from IKEA. 200 pound guys. Pero, hindi siya comfy. You know, meron akong office chair before sa Pinas. Super comfy. 3,500 lang 8 years ago. 9 years ago. Or 10 years ago. So, maybe that's why. Kasi ito is 200 pounds. So, mga nasa 14,000. Pero hindi siya comfy. Meron, ganito siya actually pag ni-remove yung cover. Kinaviran ko siya kasi nga, dahil hindi ko siya gusto, binigay ko siya kay Alex. Tapos, si Alex naman is nagko-color all the time. Nagko-color, ayan, kita nyo ba? Nagko-color siya every time. Kaya, sabi ko sa kanya, you take care of it. After 1 year, is I decided na bumili na ng cover. Ito siya comfy, guys. Gusto ko kasi yung comfy yung parang, you can fall asleep. Ito hindi. Pakita ko sa inyo. Yan, steady lang siya. Kahit I try to adjust it. Wait, na-adjust naman kasi siya. May mga adjust siya, gano'n. Taas, tapos here sa back. Gano'n. Pero, hindi siya for me. Hindi siya for me talaga, guys. Kaya, huwag kayong bumili nito sa IKEA. I'm thinking nga, ibenta na lang yan. Kasi nga, hindi talaga siya comfy. Gusto ko talaga every time comfy. Yung ginagamit ko ngayon sa office, desk ko is yung sa living room. Kasi mas comfy siya kaysa sa nito. So, yun. Anyway, mag-haul na ako sa kabila kong channel. Konti-konting update lang tayo para, ano naman kayo, meron kayong, you know, something. Wait. Hello? Yan, tumawag si Afam guys, kaya sinagot ko muna. Kasi nga aalis ako eh. Okay, yan, mag-haul na tayo sa kabilang channel. Hello lovely people! Welcome back to my channel guys. And today, I'm going to show you a quick haul. This items I purchased the whole week, so it's a different shop. So we have Primark, we have Home Bargains, we have B&M, JD Sport and Sports Direct, and Sainsbury's and Matalan. Okay, where's my Sainsbury's? I forgot now. Okay, so let's start with JD Sport. In JD Sport, I saw this North Face t-shirt, which is I think 50% off. It's, no, actually it's not. It's 30 pound. Then I purchased it, um, I purchased it 20 pound. Yeah. So just the basic white. Love white t-shirt here. So why not? It's sell at least 10 pound less. And the next is this one. JD Sport, Sports Direct. This is 35 pound, but original price is how much? Cannot see the original price. I forgot, but it should be like 50 or something. So just, you know, like that. There's many sale actually. I wanted to buy the Taekwondo, but I'm thinking I'm not really, maybe I will not wear it, so I don't want to waste it. That's it. And then in Primark, this is a quick guys because I need to go. I purchased 2 of this. I'm using one already here for my Himalayan lamp, is because my Himalayan is like original, so there's like moist on it, so I just skip it. And this one I will put it in the dining table, maybe to put some candles sometimes like that. At least it can protect, you know, it's not so much direct. And then, oh, I show you Matalan. Where's that Matalan? Oh, first I show you this Matalan purchase because they still have many. They have still many guys. 3 pound costume from 19 pound. Look, this is 19 pound. Willy Wonka costume. And this is 350. They have also Harry Potter 3 pound, and what else? Some other costume. I don't know the costume. It's not famous for me. And also Spider-Man, Superman, like that. They have 350 or 3 pound. But I have those costumes, so I want a new one. So I choose this Willy Wonka. Actually, in Sainsbury's, they have like this also, but 5 pound or 6 pound. But they don't have hot. So this one with hot. So that's why this one I preferred. Yeah, they have many sale guys. Just check out in Matalan. And the next, oh, this viral dress. This viral dress is just 10 pound. They have blue and plain black. But I wanted to wear it during New Year time, you know. When it's like, because I don't know, I feel like polka dots is good for in my culture, like lucky. So and it's just 10 pound. I hope when I wear it, it looks good to me, you know, like that. Oh my god, yeah. And then H&M, they have almost the same like this dress, but 32 pound. And then also in Zara, they have also 35 pounds, something like that. Yeah. And then at the back is like this. If you want to see the other dresses, just go on my page. And next, okay, before other B&M, I mean Primark, I have B&M. This one is supposedly $12.99, and in B&M they have many like sell for toys now. 3 pound, 2 pound, 8 pound. So this one I grab it for 3 pound. Look at that, 3 pound. So it's amazing. Fine. And then one more interesting in B&M, and I hope I will not regret buying it. This is the XL Solar Power Bank. Looks good. So I bought last year solar power bank in B&M, and it's okay, but I don't use it to my latest gadget. I just use it to my old phones, and it's good. And this is when you open. So I have a video of this, dust proof and splash proof for outdoor use. 4 solar panels for quicker charging in bright condition. Can charge up to 3 devices at one time. Okay, it's pretty good, and it's sealed, so I'm sure it never been opened before, which is good. I wanted supposedly to unbox it in a separate video, but Never mind, because I might not have a time. Okay, so let's just put it like that. Maybe I will do it. So, okay, it looks nice. Like that. Oh my god, look. It looks nice. Because it's, oh, like that. Ah, okay. Alright. I will try it, guys, and I will give update to you. I will put it in the garden today. Yeah. Oh, amazing. Okay. And it's 18 pound only. Actually, I'm thinking to buy solar something because it's summer, spring, summer. It's so hot, so at least, you know, why not? And next is from H&M. H&M. From Home Bargains. Actually, I purchased many pots, soil, and random items in Home Bargains because it's so cheap. But I cannot take it here, and this is like I need to use them also. So this one is bug zapper. I have one of this, but my son wants something. We were trying to catch flies.